Oh, here we are. All right. You can see the sign over there. I digress. Let's begin. Jesus Christ, that view. I cannot get over that view. Ooh. Let's get a bit more on the trees here. That's a bit too icy. It means I have to get rid of the view though. My precious view. Ooh, what was that? Yikes. Oh. Fucking rocks. Oh, oh, Jesus. That is really icy. Oh, that view. So good. Definitely didn't expect it to be as icy down here. It's got attitude. There you go, you can see pretty much back to the top. Oh, look at that. Unreal. Oh, that was not nice. That was not nice at all. Oh, fuck. Oh, yikes. Oh. Oh, there you are. That's it. Here's Joe.